I'm Aquarius and I also cut people off too easily. Yeah, I don't like being like that. I don't even know what percent my phone has. I think I'm at 3 or 4%, guys. And my outlet is not working. Unless I turn around the tripod and I do it on this side. We're almost done. Let me add this is lemon. Ooh, that smells so good. Oh, that was supposed to be good. And insecure people don't like when you respect yourself, because then they can take advantage of you. Yup. I actually don't mind the pink scrub free, and I don't like. What? Oh yeah. You don't like floral. Shit, I almost forgot. Yeah, you don't like floral scents. Because I mean, you don't like floral unless I do it. Let's be honest. Unless I do it, Sudsy Mama, then you're gonna like it. You only like it when I do it. She's like, okay, fine. Sure. Pine. Oh my god, pine is so good. This extrapine, I think extrapine is one of my favorite pines. And then it'll be extrapine, and then pine pinalin, the Mexican pinalin too. Oh my gosh. And then it'll be pinal pine. Less oil is not like pine, but I like less oil. Okay, let's go. One more can for you guys. And my scrub free, I found it at Dollar General. Scrub free is gonna be at Dollar General. Fucking knew it. Oh, you're dropping everything. Everything's slippery. I'm just trying to finish before my phone dies. Finish adding everything for you guys. Anyway, they're gonna come fix my water leak today, which is the good thing. And then hopefully they fix my outlet, because I think that's what's messing up the outlet in my kitchen. This water leak that's happening. Ignore that. Okay, love. I don't know what it is, but okay. Okay, Google, what time is it?
1:28 p.m.
Shut up. Thank you so much, everyone. That was 9 cans. I lied. There's one more can going in. This was XTRApine soft scrub dish soap lemon liquid recycle cans. Hold on, let me. Okay, perfect. Just scrubbing everything on this side. And then I added all your Dawn dish soap in. I think that's all the dish soap.